Hey, Priscilla. Hey, Beans. Have you seen Rango around anywhere? No, not that I know of. Hi, Beans. Rango? Yes, it's me, your pal Rango. Huh? Do you have a broken car? 'Cause I can fix it right away. Something tells me that Rango's been having too much cactus juice recently. You're right about that. What happened to your shirt? I decided to go with something new. Okay. Something tells me that ain't the real Rango. No. Do you have any money? We got water. I don't need any water. I need your money. Huh? Money? Listen here, imposter. You think you're gonna get our money? Well, you're not. And if you ever step foot in this town again, I will. Beans, I'm back. Huh? Beans, what's going on here? Nothing. Huh? Who are you? And why do you look like me? Don't listen to him. I'm Rango. No, you're not. I'm Rango. Sheriff Rango. You are an imposter. I'll only leave if you take money. I can't talk like that anymore. Huh? I'm Mr. Geico, okay? Mr. What's going out? He can save you 15 more on car insurance. Huh? All I wanted money. Lots of it. Beans, get